Monk mode is the one answer for young men around the world. By doing this, we can save Gen Z. Right, so I discovered monk mode by coming across a man named David Howard. His YouTube is self-developed, and he talked about all of these tips and tricks that I'm going to show you today. So what is monk mode? Monk mode is a period of 1 to 3 years, solely focusing on mission, purpose, and growing closer to Jesus Christ. Whether that be starting a business, doing better in school, or starting a YouTube channel, you get closer to Jesus Christ during this period. Guys like Andrew Tate, habits are fresh and fit. They say all of these things. Swin plates do this. But Jesus Christ is the true role model, and He will guide your path. Now, why should you go on monk mode? Number 1, everything on this earth is temporary. Back to what I was saying. Jesus Christ is the answer to all the hate and pain in the world. You see the word Hamas. The Muslims are killing everyone in Israel. Go to Jesus Christ and He will guide your path. When you look to Him, He will fix all things concerning us. There was this girl I liked. After I got on monk mode and I was fully focused on myself, God intervened and now she likes me. Things are going well. Number 2, there are many benefits of monk mode. These include increased productivity, because you eliminated your distractions. In women, yes, women are a distraction at this age. And number 2, you become goal-oriented because you are fully focused. Number 3, it's a long, hard journey. The Bible says in Matthew chapter 7, verses 13 and 14, enter through the narrow gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. But small is the gate, and narrow the road that leads to life, and only a few find it. Monk mode is not for everyone. The verse says that the wide gate leads to death and destruction. Guys like Tate say to sleep with many girls, but they are going to rot in hell. Follow Jesus Christ. Many people will hate you, but keep on spreading the gospel. Many are called, but few are chosen. So accept the call and move towards Jesus Christ. The truth is coming out. These so-called self-development YouTubers are wrong. It's not about earthly possessions. All those things are temporary. It's not going to matter when you're dead how much money you made and all of that, how many women you slept with. That's not gonna matter. Movement is happening. People are believing and following Jesus Christ. So follow Jesus Christ. Focus on the mission, and all things will be added unto you.